Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sana Yunus and I am a software engineer by profession, working right now in multinational company Islamabad. But I belong to Khanewal, and today I got certified from the driving school. Khanewal, and I am super happy about it because I was not expecting the professional behavior from this remote area, and I was also doubtful in the opportunity that maybe we have the driving school here or not, because in Islamabad it was there. So I called. I was working from home and I called suddenly in Khanewal office, and they said we have couple of folks in the coming batch. So they welcomed me, and I got impressed by the culture, by the environment, by the professionalism, by the instructorship. Everything was up to the mark and amazing. I would like to name the instructors that we got to know in this whole 15 days batch. Tanveer Saab has been super helpful, and they're in charge. Askar Saab has been helpful because every time we went to the office and we got a chance to meet them, they used to tell us the everything about the traffic rule, the sign test, the driving rules, and moreover, Ma'am Shazia has been very helpful throughout the process, because they used to guide us with the driving, with the overall behaviors on the road. And this is the great initiative. I would really appreciate if people send their girls to the school and get the driving license, get the driving training from the professional folks. So I think that would be amazing. So this is the great initiative. I would again appreciate and give a round of applause to the people who have been through this journey with me. And yeah, super happy, super amazing, everything. I would recommend it.